I found a really slick way of putting these in without a spring compressor. It kind of dawned on me. Now hopefully you can picture this. I'm not going to take the spring out and show you again. I just thought it would be a good idea. But what I did was, before I put the spring in, I took this one 11/16 seems to work good. I took this and I coiled it up into the spring, probably up to here, and then what I did was I rest the spring on top of this sway bar bolt, link bolt, and I started just ratcheting. You know, let's say this is on, let's just take the other end for the, imagine that's the box end, and I just take and keep on ratcheting it, turning it until the screw part, or the coil part, acts like a screw, and it just worked itself up there. And then while I was doing that, my assistant John was using the hammer to kind of beat it in there so it didn't pop out, and it worked so slick. Could not believe how easy that was. I was trying to jack them up there, I was trying to do all kinds of things, and it just wasn't working. And then I kind of did that on the other side too, but ended up using a pry bar and my breakdown bar, and then got it up there. But if I would have thought about this, I sat there and thought about it a little bit, and if I just put the box end on the spring, yeah, sure, it doesn't do the paint job much good, but you know, this paint job is going to be done within the first few miles anyway, after rock chips and stuff. So anyway, excuse me, it worked pretty good. So I'm pretty much done as far as the well, I don't know if it'd call it the hard stuff, probably the hard stuff, and pretty happy about that. I got to get these coils in place here, and then get the shocks in, and then get my I had moved the tie rod off the other side there. I didn't have to do it because it was far enough out of the way here, and it worked out pretty good. In fact, it turned out that I probably didn't need to remove the tie rod the way this worked on this side. But if you ever want to figure out how to put springs in, this does work really nice. Really didn't make any difference which way I put it. I suppose it gives you a little bit more offset and helps you turn it in a little bit better if it was the other way. I think I had it the wrong way, but nonetheless it still grabbed and it still worked. So hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.